I am sure you've seen this tweet by now and wondered to yourself, what the heck is Elon Musk doing? For more than a decade, Twitter has been known for its blue and white logo, which has become a symbol of the social network's own culture and terminology. The verb tweet was created, a post is referred to as a tweet, and the term tweet was adopted to refer to Twitter employee. But all this is changing soon and changing fast. Let's talk about it. Hello there and welcome back. My name is Fumilayo from Bet Media and I welcome you to today's video where we'll be talking about Twitter becomes X. Do not forget to subscribe and like if you're interested in learning more about branding, web design, AI, and programming. In April, Elon paid $44 billion for Twitter, and shortly thereafter, the company's name was changed from Twitter Inc. to X Corp. Since then, he has been making significant changes to the platform that most users don't seem to like, such as restricting the daily direct messaging and daily reading posts for unverified users. Elon's influence drove Meta, the company that owns Instagram, to introduce Threads, a Twitter rival, on July 5th. After the new platform emerged with millions of members, Elon called it a copycat and accused it of being imitative and challenged its owner, Mark Zuckerberg, to a battle on Twitter in June after learning about the platform. But things hasn't always been so glamorous at Twitter. Elon Musk stated early on June 15th that the social media company cash flow is still negative due to the heavy debt and roughly 50% decline in advertising revenue. Musk replied to a tweet with "need to reach positive cash flow before we have the luxury of anything else." According to Musk, almost all advertisers have stopped purchasing Twitter advertisements in April. He told BBC reporter at the time that he also asserted that the business was roughly break even and anticipated turning cash flow positive within the next quarter. First, let's talk about what Elon Musk is actually changing in this rebranding. The domain name x.com now points to twitter.com, and this is what you would see when you try to log in or create a new account. Number 2, the bird logo has been replaced with the letter X. Number 3, the name has also been replaced with X on the Google Play Store, and soon the name Twitter will become a thing of the past. Earlier on Monday, Mr. Musk also shared a photo of a giant X projected on the Twitter San Francisco office building with the caption, "Our headquarters tonight." Behind the scene, he has also changed the platform features, such as badges intended to verify users, and the regulation detected what you can and cannot be stated on the site, in addition to firing thousands of staff. While a few people are positive about this change, a lot are not, and thinking that by beginning to erase Twitter's name, Elon has destroyed a well-established brand that has existed since the company's founding in 2006. Elon Musk is not the first business leader to decide that his company needs a makeover. In 2021, social media giant Facebook morphed into Meta, a new identity that reflected the owner Mark Zuckerberg's ambition for the metaverse, a project which has been since called a flop. Apple also drastically changed its logo in this decade of existence, going from a rainbow-colored prawn in 1970s to a sleek minimal silver fruit on today's laptops and smartphones. Other companies who has also undergone rebranding is Relentless to Amazon, ODO to Twitter, Backrub to Google, ActionWeb to eBay, and Matchbox to Tinder. Some of these companies you know and maybe love were probably called something different and looked differently at some point. So do you think that this rebranding would save Twitter? That's it for you guys. Please note that this is a developing story. So let me know, will you be Xing? That sounded wrong. Or have you moved over to Trend? Bye for now.